Hello, my friends. I'm Andrea, astrologer, and welcome to this new weekly update for markets in general. We talk about the global astrology for the week from April 21st to April 27th. So let's dive into it. Tensions are rising in the sky and the markets might feel it too. From volatile squares to heavy hitting oppositions, the astrology of the week points at fear, pressure and big money moves. If you are in the markets, then this is really important to watch and stay alert. Now, as a friendly reminder, Mondays are always a mix of the weekend, and as we know, we do have the previous video, which I link it here for your convenience. So have a look to refresh your memory on Saturday and Sunday in case we don't see much move because the transaction volume is usually low. In this video, as always, we cover the weather forecast, but not the moody Bitcoin lady. This is something that we have for our subscribers in Patreon, but nevertheless, I want to give you a hint, so stay until the end of this video in order to see what is really important this week for Bitcoin in its own horoscope. Monday, April 21st. We kick off the week with a Mars-Sun square, an aspect that is tense and it tends to fuel volatility. Expect price fluctuations across markets in general. This being a global aspect will affect multiple financial assets. Tuesday, April 22nd, Sun opposes Lilith today, bringing fear and uncertainty in the market atmosphere. Expect reduced risk appetite among investors today. Wednesday, April 23rd, the Sun-Pluto square brings additional stress, pointing to negative developments that are tied to regulations, either to regulations or to institutional players, aka the big money. Thursday, April 24th, no major astrological aspect is exact at day level in the global astrology today. In such cases, the price action will be shaped by the hourly aspects, which you can find in detail in the BTC hour-by-hour product for this week, which covers the global astrology, but also Bitcoin. Friday, April 25th. The Venus-Saturn conjunction, actually the most important aspect of the week, is exact today and becomes increasingly influential heading into the weekend. This can point towards limitations or restrictions in the crypto space, likely contributing to downward price pressure. Be aware of that. And being a global aspect, it can point to restrictions in terms of markets, of currencies, and so on. So it will be interesting to watch out. Saturday, April 26th, there is no day level aspect in the global astrology, which is exact today. Sunday, April 27th, a Mars-Pluto opposition, which is a hallmark for high volatility, likely induced by a large financial moves, finishes this week, and this energy is quite strong and likely to spill into the early part of the next week. And this is also because it's a Sunday, so we might not see much movement, but as transaction volumes rise the next week, this can be manifested. So have this on top of your mind. And now, as promised, I would like to share the highlight of the week, which is actually the positive energy early in Bitcoin's natal chart. And this is thanks to a Moon-Mercury aspect, which is positive. And it is a favorable energy that brings good news and a boost in market sentiment usually. We can say that this is an upbeat momentum and helps offset some of the negative energy that you saw that it's present during the week, but the pressure from Saturn is quite strong. So I would say that this energy is not strong enough on Bitcoin side to counteract the negative energy. But it's important to take into account this balanced positive energy as well, because it's not all doom and gloom, so to speak. We will have also positive influences that are unfortunately shorter term during the week, and this will be really periods of recovery. Thank you. Now, as promised, I would like to share with you the highlight of the week, and this is from the Bitcoin horoscope on Monday, April 21st. The week starts with a positive influence thanks to Mercury Moon conjunction in the BTC horoscope, and this usually points towards good news, and it boosts market sentiment in general. And this energy will really persist, especially in the first part of the week, and trigger an upbeat momentum. And this is likely to offset some of the negative energy that we have in the global astrology during the week. But it is very likely that it will not be strong enough to counteract the negative energy from Saturn. Just be aware of that. And the fact that Saturn conjuncts Venus and not other planets, this points more towards cryptocurrency, so we need to stay alert, especially towards the end of the week. In conclusion, we do have a complex week ahead for the end of April, and we do have also a lot of volatility. So this means that fluctuations will be the norm of hours, I would say, not even days. Some days are pretty busy in terms of hourly aspects, and I do think it will be quite challenging trade with care and always have the stop loss set. Thank you so much for your time, for your attention, for liking and subscribing. It helps the channel. I appreciate that. And until next time, be joyful. See you.